whole desert, okay? And here is Babylon, here is Nineveh, here is Syria. And so all the traffic, they can't come across here, this can't. So this is why we call this the Fertile Crescent. It's crescent shape, this is where there's water, it's green, it's nice. Down this way, you cannot cross here without just crossing miles and miles of desert. So this is the way the caravans will all come. But there are mountains here. Look at all the mountains. And so you have to go a certain route. And it's called the Way of the Sea, Via Maris, the path that goes to the sea through these mountains. And Megiddo is perfectly located for that because it's right by Megiddo that the mountain has a pass. And you can bring all those horses, camels, whatever, right through there. Or if you have an army, that's how they're going to pass if they want to get down to Egypt, if they want to get down to the southern part of Israel. So that's why this location is such a good location. That's part of it. There's lots of reasons, actually, for Megiddo being important.